The rescue operations are still ongoing with a security team that majorly has been drawn from West Pokot County.
The primary school in Kurial has been turned into a makeshift camp for victims of floods and landslides. These people have never had much, but now they've lost everything: their homes, crops, livestock and possessions.
Is this to visit the fatherless and widows in their affliction and to keep himself unspotted from the world. And so we are doing something that is very biblical. It touches the heart of God and it touches the hearts of those who are going through unfortunate situations, those who are going through tough times.